Hi, first grade. We are going to be talking about our numbers 1 all the way down to 20, and we're going to be discussing that some numbers are even and some numbers are odd. So let's get started. I have my number line here, and I'm starting with the number 1. 1 is an odd number. It is blue. If we go over to number 2, we have a red number. All of our red numbers are going to be even. So if you notice, going all the way down, we have a pattern. Red, blue, and just like the color pattern, it's going to go odd, even, odd, even. So let's keep going. 3, 4. 5 is odd, 6 is even. 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd, 10 is even, 11 is odd, 12 is even, 13 is odd, 14 is even, 15 is odd, and we will talk later, boys and girls, about what even and odd mean. Right now we just recognize that every other number is odd and then even. 16, even, 17, odd. 18, even, 19, odd, 20, even. All right, so we're going to remember that all the red ones are even, all the blue are odd. So go ahead and grab your number line. And I have my number line right here, and we're going to fill this. We are going to fill out this whole number line with all of our numbers that we know. And I'm going to start with the number 1, and I'm going to write all my numbers to 20. So if you need to pause, that is okay. If you want to just follow along right with me, that's awesome too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you notice that numbers on a number line stay in order? We're not putting a 1 over here and then a 5 and then a 20. We're staying in order. That's how we keep track. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Remember, you can pause. 17, 18, 19, 20. If you need extra time, right now is a good time to pause the video and fill in those numbers and then come right back. If you are ready for the next part, I would like you to grab a blue crayon and a red crayon, just like our number line. Now we're going to make a little key at the top, which is just going to help us remember what color we're using for even and what color we're using for odd. So we started our number line on the floor with a blue. So we're going to say that blue is odd. So I'm just going to make a little blue blotch right here. And I'm going to write odd. O-D-D. Odd. And then I'm going to take my red crayon and make a little spot over here. And it's going to be the even numbers. E, B, E, N. Even. So now our job is to take these two crayons And if it's an even number, you do the red. If it's an odd number, you do the blue. So we're going to get started. Odd. Even. Odd. Even. Odd. Even. Odd. Even. And I want you guys to keep going all the way until you get to 20, okay? So again, if you need to pause this video, that is okay. And I will hold this up very close to the camera so you guys can see it better.
Thank you for taking good headphones. I really appreciate it.
Almost done. If you're not done, that's okay. You can finish this on your own time and it'll be okay. So now I'm going to hold it up to the camera. Go ahead and pause this if you would like to have this up close and you can finish filling it in. Okay, so your job for tomorrow will be you're going to cut out the numbers 1 through 20. We sent those home on Thursday and it came with a little plastic bag. You're going to cut those out, lay them out flat on your floor just like we did over here. And I want you guys to practice talking about which ones are odd and which ones are even. So do that a few times tomorrow and then put them back in the bag so they stay nice and safe. And I will see you guys tomorrow.